In this video, I'll show you how to connect LinkedIn with Salesflare so you can make the most out of both platforms in your sales workflow. By the end of this quick guide, you'll understand how to link these tools together, which will save you time, streamline your process, and make your outreach more effective. Whether you're a sales pro or just getting started with Salesflare, this will give you an edge in automating and managing your customer relationships. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try Salesflare for free with an exclusive trial just by clicking the first link below. Stick around for that bonus and more, because I'm going to show you how to get even more value out of these tools. Now, let's get started with connecting LinkedIn to Salesflare. First, you'll need to have a Salesflare account. If you don't have one, make sure you create it before moving forward. Once you're inside your Salesflare dashboard, head over to the Settings section. From there, navigate to the LinkedIn integration option. This will allow you to connect your LinkedIn profile to Salesflare. It's important to note that LinkedIn's native integration isn't as seamless as some other tools, so you may need to use a third-party connector like Zapier to help bridge the gap. But don't worry, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get everything linked up. To start with Zapier, you'll need to create a new Zap. A Zap is essentially an automated workflow between your apps. Once you've set up your Zapier account, select Salesflare as the action app and choose the appropriate trigger, like a new contact or new email. Then, select LinkedIn as the trigger app. Say, when a new connection is made or a message is sent. When setting up the action for Salesflare, make sure you map the fields correctly. For instance, you'll want your LinkedIn connection's name, job title, and email address to automatically be added to your Salesflare CRM. This saves you from manually entering that data, reducing the chance of errors and helping you focus on the more important parts of the sales process. Now, here's why this integration is a game changer. Once LinkedIn is connected with Salesflare, you can track every interaction with your prospects. You'll have all their information in one place, including messages, meeting notes, and emails, all synced in real time. But it gets better. You can use Salesflare's automation features to trigger follow-up actions based on your LinkedIn activity. For example, if you connect with a prospect on LinkedIn, Salesflare can automatically schedule a follow-up email or add a note to remind you to reach out again. This level of automation helps reduce your workload and ensures that you never miss an opportunity. I want to emphasize just how much time you can save by integrating these tools. It's not just about connecting two platforms. It's about building a seamless workflow that increases your productivity. You'll see a significant improvement in how you manage leads, track deals, and maintain relationships with prospects. Before I wrap up, remember to grab your extended free trial of Salesflare through the link below. This exclusive offer gives you full access to the platform with no strings attached, allowing you to explore all its features and see the benefits of integrating LinkedIn with Salesflare firsthand. Thanks for watching. Now you have everything you need to start connecting LinkedIn with Salesflare and streamlining your sales efforts. Don't forget to check out that free trial to get the most out of your experience. Happy selling. Happy